Hey there everybody, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your images or the photos you have uploaded in Canva. It's very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So let's move to the last section, and there you can see the option called upload. Simply tap in there. And since we're going to delete the images, simply tapping this option, and here you can see all the images that you have uploaded before, so you can simply select whatever you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one, so once you put your mouse there, you can see this box. Simply tap in there, and now it has been marked. And as you can see down here, you can see the option of this trash symbol. It says move to trash. You can simply tap in there, and it's asking again, items can be restored from trash in the next 30 days. So it has not been deleted permanently. It will move to a trash, so you don't have to worry. It will be there for the next 30 days, and after that it will be automatically removed from the trash. So let's simply tap in this option that is move to trash, and it's deleting. Might take a while, and there you go, your image has been deleted. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Editing 24/7. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.